Welcome to the American Beauty Soldering Station's Basic Maintenance Guide. As you recall in the startup video, we talked about the packet that has the literature in it. Also has a bag in it that has a couple of extra tips and an Allen wrench. What we're going to do here is we'll show you the process of changing out the tip. Always make sure that the iron is completely cool before you start doing any kind of maintenance or changing on it. There's a set screw here. The Allen wrench is in the packet. You simply loosen that screw out, take out the tip, take the appropriate tip you're going to use for the other application, insert it fully into the iron, make sure it is fully seated. If it's not, you can have a hot spot develop that can actually prematurely fail the element. We tighten that back up, and it's really that simple. Now what we're going to do is also show you that you want to properly maintain tip and the heating element on the iron. We've got a couple of ones here. This is the size that we were currently looking at, V36GL, which is the large. This is a GS, which is the small. The process is going to be very similar in taking care of these. So what we'll do is to start the process, take the tip that's in it, loosen the set screw, pull the tip out, and you can see this contaminated quite a bit. A lot of oxides on there. And we can clean that up with something like an emery cloth, sandpaper, fine grit. You don't want to rip it up really bad. You just want to clean the junk off it. You can also use this abrasive pad that we have manufactured for us. This does a pretty good job. And you can see it's getting a lot of the junk off of there. You'll want to do this, it depends on your usage, okay, but probably every third or fourth time you use the iron. The other thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to clean the inside walls of the heating element. You can do that with a wire brush. There's a variety of sizes that you can pick up. This one's a 1/4 inch diameter. And you just want to put a wire brush or something in there and clean that. You can actually put that on a power drill and run that in and out of there to clean that. Once you get it all clean, just reinsert it and retighten the set screw. You'll want to periodically tighten and loosen this set screw even if you don't need to clean it, because that'll keep it from seizing up inside of the iron. So you can just tighten it and loosen it a couple times and work it so that it doesn't freeze. Now on this smaller one, we're going to take this tip out and let you get a look at it. This has its own size Allen wrench. It is a different size, but it comes with the unit as well. You see that one's also blued quite a bit. It's got a lot of junk on it.
Maybe we could use the abrasive pad.
We have these available directly that we have manufactured for us. That's doing a pretty good job. You just want to get those oxides and junk off of there. Now, if you don't have a small enough wire brush, you can actually take a jeweler's file and use that and just go in there and clean that up. And again, you're just trying to break the oxides down that are inhibiting good thermal transfer. Once you get that cleaned out, again, just reinsert the tip, make sure it is fully seated. Retighten the set screw, and you're good to go. We hope this video is helpful, and remember you can find more detailed information in the user manual that was provided with your American Beauty Solder Station.